What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna do some budget unboxings. So very quickly, for those of you who are new here, in this segment we take a look at some new and general releases. So the sneakers that are usually easily available on retail and are new in terms of maybe a design or a collaboration or a colorway or a whole silhouette in itself. So today I have chosen 3 sneakers for you guys and all of them are pretty much newly released. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. Oh sorry, mic ko maar diya. Alright, so let's quickly get the boxes out on the table. We have one sneaker from Nike, as you can see, one sneaker from Adidas and a third sneaker from, yes, Reebok.
Bro, Nike उल्टा है.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? Oh fuck. Okay, फिर से Nike. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
Okay. So let's put all of these aside and get started with the first one. Should I do in the order of what I am ranking them, like 3, 2, 1? Should I just do randomly?
Checks over stripes.
अबे यार तो वो तो एक नंबर हो गया ना. All right, checks over stripes. Checks over stripes. Just kidding. All right, so let's start with Reebok first, the most understated, underrated, or probably the least hyped brand out of the 3. So yeah. Oops.
Oh shit.
खाली बॉक्स है यार, चलता है. Alright, so no extra pair of laces or anything, just to give you a heads up. If you're gonna be like I already threw the box and I did not check it, but I need the box again. देना please, price क्या है पता नहीं. सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे पैसों के बारे में, कितने का आता है ये. So these sneakers retail for a price of 8,999 only. Now taking a closer look at the shoe. First things first, this is the BB 4000 silhouette, which is primarily a basketball sneaker. Yes, they are low tops, but still they are a basketball sneaker. And this time around they are in collaboration with this Canadian streetwear label that's called Dime. So you don't really have a lot of things of that brand on the shoe, but let's just quickly take a look over it. You can see the Dime logo on the tongue of the shoe. You can see Dime at the back. And one second, you can see Dime label over here. This label is sort of like an off-white sneaker that they use that orange label. Any which ways, the whole sneaker, the whole upper is in leather predominantly, with certain use of suede at some places, a white midsole, a white outsole, and obviously the hits of blue. Now these sneakers come in 2 colorways. One is this one right here, that is the white and the blue, and the second colorway is like sort of a brown in suede, which feels more like a Timberland boot or a Woodland boot. But nevertheless, both of these are really nice. I personally like the white one better because I just think it goes well with the overall lifestyle aspect of it, because not everyone is going to wear these and play basketball in India. So what matters to us most is how do they look as a lifestyle sneaker. So yeah, once again to repeat it, the quality is really nice. The shoe feels very soft, and this only means they're going to be really comfortable. The sock inliner is also pretty nice. I don't know what material it is, I cannot really say, but yeah, nevertheless on the insole you get the Reebok and the Dime logo once again, and that's about it. So like I said, these sneakers retail for only rupees 8,999, and I don't know, there is something about Reebok which is why I always happen to choose one of them in my budget unboxings or in my category of under 10,000 sneakers or under 5,000 sneakers, because like I said, there's something about it. It is just so classic, so retro, and it looks amazing on feet. Now let me quickly go ahead and show you these, how they look on feet. Now let's put these aside. By the way, if you're looking for some more technical details, then let me just clear it out. Obviously all these sneakers are from Super Kicks, so you can definitely go and read about them over there on the product page. And also this time what I will do is I will put the link to each of these sneakers in the description box below, because some of you people keep complaining that I have not put the direct links, although I don't think that makes any sense, because you know the name of the silhouette and you know which website to look up on, so you can just go there and search for them. But no, you want me to do some more work for you guys, so alright, I gave up. I'm going to put the links in the description box below. Now let's move on to the second sneaker, checks over stripes. So we'll put the checks for the end, and now let's look at this sneaker from Adidas. Wow, क्या जूता है? ओहो, खुली है इसमें लेसेस. What the fuck, scam? This one is pink, this one is blue, and oh my god, there is a lot to talk about these sneakers. They look really amazing. What else is in the box? You have some extra pair of laces that is in this mint green or turquoise or I don't know, whatever, and black. So let's put this back inside the box. And first, before I throw the box away, so these sneakers, one minute. Yeah, so these sneakers cost about 9,999 rupees only. Now, I just like to do that, I don't know why. Alright, so these are the iconic Adidas Superstar, and as they say, they are pretty much ready to chill. Now, why do they say that? I will just tell you in a bit. But first, let's talk about what these shoes are about. So basically, these are the Superstars this time around in collaboration with a brand which is called Arizona Iced Tea. Yes, that's the iced tea that you drink. So that is the reason why they said that the iconic Adidas Superstars are ready to chill, because if you have an iced tea, that means you're chilling. I don't understand the logic behind it, but yeah. Any which ways, taking a look at the shoe, the upper is in some really nice quality leather along with the usual shell toe, and this specific colorway is sort of mismatched. As you can see, you have baby pink on this side, mint green on the second half of this shoe, while the second pair comes with white on one side and sort of blue or green. ये लाइट के जैसे मेरे को पता नहीं चल रहा है, ये ब्लू है कि ग्रीन है? Oh sorry, so it's blue on the other side. So basically what this means is that both the shoes look different, and there's only one common factor though between them, that is both of them come with an iced sole this time around. And like we all know, everyone loves iced sole all because of Jordans, but nevertheless this time around you're supposed to like the iced sole because you are a fan of iced tea, and that is one of the reasons why you would actually go it for these shoes. So let me just quickly show you the details. You can see a lot of embroidery on the upper of the shoe, and yeah, so that's inspired by Arizona, something like that. I am still not getting the reference exactly, but nevertheless my point is that the shoes are really cool and they're very different. So yeah, some embroidery here and there along with have an iced day on the back of the shoe and an Adidas logo on the inside. And yeah, you also get this really cool pin or whatever you want to call it. It's a sneaker charm or whatever, like you can see here in metal. I think I saw the second colorway with the same sneaker charm but in gold, so you will have to go on Super Kicks and check out the 3 colorways that they're available in. Also, it comes with this really cool lace bag, which I think you can definitely use it for some other things once you take it off from the shoe. Let me just take it off and show you. नहीं निकल रहा, अच्छा खुद निकाल लेना है, छोड़ो. So anyways, like I said, these sneakers retail for a price of 9,999. I do not need to tell you how good the Adidas Superstars are. I do not need to tell you how iconic they are. We all know that everyone wants Superstar in their collection. So if you are looking to refresh your style, then I would definitely suggest you to go in for these because they are really cool. And yeah, don't forget to have a nice day with it. Anyways, let's keep this aside and move on to the number 1 sneaker. Actually, honestly speaking, I wouldn't really put this at number 1. I would put this at number 3 today. But checks over stripes. That is the reason we are unboxing this last, or rather at number 1, going from 3 to 1. Alright. Oh, by the way, you must have already seen the on feet of those sneakers. It's just that मैं बोलना भूल गया कि let's take a look on feet. Alright, let's unbox. ओहो, क्या बात है, सिंपल एंड क्लीन. इसको हम कर देते हैं बंद. यस, आई रिमेंबर दिस टाइम. इसमें तो प्राइस टैग ही नहीं है भाई. Alright, so as you can see, these retail for a price of 7,995 only. Oh भाई, क्या हुआ? Alright, so these are the Nike Tailwind 79 as they call it. Now I do not know a lot about the history of these shoes, but I know one thing for sure, that they are a retro. I mean, they were first introduced a couple of decades ago, and they are mainly running shoes, so they are definitely going to be very comfortable because of the air unit in the shoe, and that is what actually at that point of time when they first released made it a winner. Now this time around, these sneakers are coming back in the form of Tailwind 79 as they call it, and they will be using a lot of the OG colorways and things like that. So yeah, that's all I know about the shoes, so that's all I'm going to share it with you. The point is how good they look, how comfortable they are, how much do they cost, and should you buy it. So first, let me tell you, these are a fantastic lifestyle sneaker. I wouldn't really advise them for running, but for lifestyle definitely, because they're going to be really comfortable, and they're pretty sleek and clean looking, so they will be really nice with some of your casual outfits. Now taking a look in detail, this one is in shades of orange that you can see, a darker orange here, sort of a beige, or I can say probably the lightest shade of orange on the other parts of the upper, with some really nice and clean white laces, and the tongue again is inspired by the whole of white Nike design language, because you can see the exposed foam on the shoe. That's the only place, by the way, it is exposed, nowhere else. And also the tongue is pretty slim and feels really light. I think they are going to be really cool on feet. I mean, you wouldn't also even realize if you're wearing any sneakers, and that's what makes it comfortable. Apart from that, you have the Nike branding on the back of the shoe in green, and the Nike tag on the tongue, and that's about it. So like I said, these retail for under rupees 8,000, and actually after talking about the shoe in detail, I think I would go with the Reebok BB 4000 or the Nike Tailwind as my daily wear, or more focused towards, probably if you're in college, you could use these for your college wear, and they would look really cool with any and every outfit. And if you're looking for something special, wait, let me put this on the screen. If you're looking for something special, maybe for those small little occasions or some special times, then you could probably choose this, because these shoes are different, even though they are one, and that is how you will be different, and you will have an iced day. So yeah, that's all from me for today. Do let me know in the comments below what you feel about these sneakers. I gave you my preferences. The fact that all three of them are on the table, that means they are equal for me, and they are really nice. So whether you're looking to pick up your first sneaker, or you're looking to add some more sneakers in your collection, then these are the ones you should be considering as of today. And yeah, all of these are from Superkicks. The links to all of them are in the description box below. And that's all from me for today. If you're watching till here, like always, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will be back in the next video with a very special unboxing. Peace. अरे क्या बात है, क्या वीडियो बन गया यार, मजा आ गया.